Ever struggled to keep track of your business finances? You know, those endless spreadsheets, manual data entry, and the constant fear of making a mistake? And what about those times when you finish a job, only to realize you have to manually input all the details into your accounting software? It's a nightmare, right? Well, what if I told you there's a tool out there that could potentially solve all those headaches? A tool that could streamline your business operations and give you more time to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. That tool is Housecall Pro. But the big question is, does it actually link to QuickBooks? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why this integration is even important. Housecall Pro is a popular field service management software designed to help businesses like yours manage jobs, customers, scheduling, and more. On the other hand, QuickBooks is a well-known accounting software used to manage finances, invoicing, and payroll. If these two platforms could talk to each other, imagine the possibilities. No more double entry, no more lost data, and a whole lot more time to focus on your business. But does it really work? That's what we're here to find out. Understanding the integration. Let's break down what it means for Housecall Pro to integrate with QuickBooks. Essentially, it's like building a bridge between the two platforms. When you create a new job in Housecall Pro, the information about the customer, services, and pricing is automatically sent over to QuickBooks. Once the job is completed and you generate an invoice, that invoice is also synced with QuickBooks. This means you have a single source of truth for your business data. No more manual entry. No more discrepancies between your job management software and your accounting software. Everything is in sync, giving you a clear and accurate picture of your finances. Benefits of the integration. Now, let's talk about the benefits of this integration. Why should you even care about linking Housecall Pro to QuickBooks? Time saving. The most obvious benefit is time saving. You're eliminating hours of manual data entry, giving you more time to focus on growing your business. Accuracy. When you reduce manual data entry, you also reduce the chances of errors. This means accurate financial reports and fewer headaches. Improved efficiency. With everything in sync, you can make better business decisions faster. You'll have a clearer picture of your finances, allowing you to identify trends, manage cash flow, and make informed choices about your business. Better customer management. When your customer information is synced between Housecall Pro and QuickBooks, you have a complete view of your customers. This helps you provide better service and build stronger relationships. How does it work? So, how does this integration actually work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Once you've connected your Housecall Pro account to your QuickBooks account, the two platforms start communicating with each other. Any changes made in one platform are automatically reflected in the other. It's important to note that the integration is usually one-way, meaning data flows from Housecall Pro to QuickBooks. This means that any changes made in QuickBooks won't be reflected in Housecall Pro. Is it right for your business? Now, you might be wondering if this integration is right for your business. The truth is, it depends on the size of your business and your specific needs. If you're a small business owner with a handful of jobs each month, manual data entry might not be a huge problem. However, if you're a larger business with a growing number of jobs, the integration can be a game changer. Consider the following factors when deciding if the integration is right for you. The size of your business, the number of jobs you handle each month, the complexity of your financial reporting, your comfort level with technology, potential challenges. While the Housecall Pro and QuickBooks integration offers many benefits, it's important to be aware of potential challenges. Data migration. If you have a lot of historical data, migrating it from one system to the other can be time-consuming and error-prone. Learning curve. Both Housecall Pro and QuickBooks have their own learning curves. Adding an integration can introduce additional complexity. Cost. Depending on your chosen plans, there might be additional costs associated with the integration. Technical issues. Like any software integration, there's always a risk of technical issues. So, does Housecall Pro link to QuickBooks? The answer is yes, it does. And while it's not a magic bullet that will solve all your business problems, it can certainly streamline your operations and save you time and money. If you're looking for a way to improve efficiency and accuracy in your business, the Housecall Pro and QuickBooks integration is definitely worth considering. By taking the time to understand the benefits and potential challenges, you can make an informed decision about whether it's the right solution for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.